Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody posted a file. They're actually going to send it to me tomorrow, but I might not be able to get to it for a while. And a couple people, if I understand what they want to do right, they want to do text to path, and we want to weld it together. So there's a couple steps, and we can go ahead and left click and right click and make it a hairline. That doesn't change it, it's still a text. I picked block letters. I'm going to go to text, fit text to path, and I'm going to put it on the path. But if you weren't going to use that path and you wanted them still to weld together, I guess you wanted them on an arch is what I'm guessing, you can still grab the shape tool and it will slide. You don't have to do too much to it. Now we're going to mess it up a little bit because of the fact that it's not in the center, but you're just wanting an arch. So to do this, then you have to select it all, go up to Object, convert it to a curve. Well, really what we should have done first is broken the text apart, break text apart. That way it'll get it off this arch. And you see it's not on the arch anymore, but it does have an arch to it. Now you need to convert this to a curve. And then when you do that, you have to go and break the curve apart. And by doing that, you've broken out these other pieces that are not going to weld. So let's set our nudge factor on like 4 inches. Let's see how tall this is. It's 8 inches. So let's set our nudge factor on 9 inches. And let's just nudge this up. And I'm thinking, whoop, nudge that inner parts up. And I'm thinking that's what you want to do. And then group this together with Control G, and that way you could put them all back at one time. Now we can weld this, grab all these and move them down because they're a group. We only have to touch one of them. Now it does look funny just because of the fact that we moved probably one letter more than other, but it is all welded together. So if you wanted to critique it and make it, on an arch, and it all depends on how big your arch is and how long your word is, but he used the word baby, and that would cut out and weld and all be one piece, and you can always double check it with the Smart Fill tool, and that's what it's going to look like. I hope that was the right answer. If not, email me the file and we'll go from there. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.